I'm going to look at the Tailwindcss framework installation. Here we're going to see how we need to install and what is Tailwindcss, what are the features that have. Here we're going to look at Tailwindcss features. It has comes with a lot of classes. There is a lot of classes. With the list coding you can customize it, and you can customize size, color, typography, shadows and CSS framework and pseudo classes and hover active such as form states and dark modes, and you can customize this project as a responsive one. And form states, you can definitely customize the input box, input fields as the field based states like invalid and selector, such fields that you can customize. Packed with the classes. Here you can look at, there is a flux is a class. Inside the flux I have been used image, strong and span. This looks like a centered one. Here how it looks, yeah. And pseudo classes with hover. There is a table that displays odd and even different colors. There is a blue and a little bit white and media query. Definitely it shows always center in the small medium, below 640 it aligned with the left. Dark mode section, you can see PG is white. Normally it looks white. In the dark mode PG looks, background looks very dark one in the sense black. Okay, customize your theme. You can customize the screens and the colors and family and everything you want. In normally small medium mobiles are 640, but you can customize as 480 pixel. Form states, as I said earlier, you can customize using the disabled states. You can focus on disabled state and valid and invalid. Here we are going to look at Tailwindcss installation. Installation, you can do it with two different methods. One is Tailwindcss CLI tool and another one is CDN. Here we are going to see how to install using CLI tool. Here we are going to look at the installation of Tailwindcss. Okay, first of all I am going to create a React project for it. So first I am going to create like Tailwind React. npx create React app Tailwind React. It started to create. I need to wait. Hello everyone, I'm going to, that's fine. The React has been created. Here we're going to type like cd Tailwind React. npm start. We have created. After that we need to install the Tailwindcss. Now it is working fine. I'm opening another window. Here cd tailwind react. I'm installing npm installation. Okay, here I am installing the npm using Tailwindcss packages. Yes, using this we have created tailwind configure.js file. Okay, then we just need to copy it. We just paste it here. The source, it has to access the source folder and add the tailwind. Here we need to create an input.css file with this following components. We need to install this. It has to access these directories. I'm going to source folder and input.css. That's input.css. Here I'm going to then npx, this we need to install. Here we are going to paste it. we just actually the React in the React folder we have a source and index.css files is there, so I am just copy it. There is the index.css. I am just paste it here and I paste that app.js. This is the file, but I remove it. This was the code. This is the earlier before. Here it's a default look. After we installing, we can look at this. Run npm start. We can remove this. Development. Here you can see node modules and public and src source and the remaining packages, package log and readme and tailwind configurations. If you open this one, this is the default code which is we pasted from the mentioned. Okay, we have to configure it that we need to access that files from the source, and we installing one index.css. These are the modules, base modules, component modules and utilities from Tailwind. Okay, we have installed it. In the source folder there is a index.css. We have installed. So we have seen that before coding. Now how it looks, you can feel it because the app.js. In the app.js, I mentioned that in the catch on tag, this is the size, it's a weight, font weight like font bold or normal and underline. If you increase this one as 6, you can see the big one. Sorry, it is not available, I think. No, this is not the right code, I think. Index. This is the right code. You can see the size is so bigger. So if you are pasting some codes, it will work out. For time being, I paste it from spacing column. Here you can see 1, 2, 3. We can customize it. There's a 3, but if you want 5, you can customize. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. If we are using 1, 2, 3, because the gap is so high, and the span, the column number 4th, this size is so bigger, so it's not equal size, it is not showing. If you remove, you get used to it, gonna happen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because 6 column. If you want more gap, 20, I will add. Three column. Okay, good. So it's working fine. Here you know that how to install that Reactjs. Tailwind. Okay, good. Thank you for watching. Here we are going to see another one method, that is installing on CLI. Now you can look at that installing using CDN, Content Delivery Network. Using this, you don't need to install any packages. You can use this, the same Tailwind CSS, without installing any npm packages and source code and everything. Here we're going to see how it's going to work out. This is the package. Before that, we need to see first of all how it's going to work out. I'm just removing. It's working fine. And index.js. Here also I am removing. See, once I remove, it shows like empty. Okay. Then if I add that, it will work out. If I remove it, and I can press the command, and I'm going to